Run. Run. Examples.
I run to the bus stop. He runs in the morning. She runs with her dog. We run when we are late. They run in the park.
Walk. Walk. Examples.
I walk to school. He walks with his grandmother. She walks every evening. We walk in the rain. They walk to the market.
Jump. Jump. Examples.
I jump over the rope. He jumps on the bed. She jumps when she is happy. We jump in the playground. They jump together.
Sit. Sit. Examples.
I sit on the chair. He sits on the floor. She sits and reads a book. We sit at the table. They sit quietly.
Stand. Stand. Examples.
I stand in line. He stands near the door. She stands and waits. We stand up in class. They stand together.
Sleep. Sleep. Examples.
I sleep. He sleeps with his cat. She sleeps in a quiet room. We sleep well at night. They sleep after dinner.
Eat. Eat. Examples.
I eat bread for breakfast. He eats an apple. She eats rice every day. We eat pizza on Fridays. They eat together.
Drink. Drink. Examples.
I drink water. He drinks milk in the morning. She drinks tea with sugar. We drink juice at lunch. They drink coffee.
Read. Read. Examples.
I read a book. He reads the newspaper. She reads English words. We read in the library. They read every night.
Write. Write. Examples.
I write my name. He writes a letter. She writes in her notebook. We write new words. They write stories.
Talk. Talk. Examples.
I talk to my friend. He talks on the phone. She talks to her teacher. We talk after class. They talk and laugh.
Listen. Listen. Examples.
I listen to music. He listens to the teacher. She listens carefully. We listen to English songs. They listen to the radio.
Look. Look. Examples.
I look at the sky. He looks at the board. She looks at her watch. We look for our bag. They look at the photo.
See. See. Examples.
I see a bird. He sees his friend. She sees the red car. We see the moon at night. They see a cat in the garden.
Watch. Watch. Examples.
I watch TV. He watches a movie. She watches the game. We watch the news. They watch birds.
Think. Think. Examples.
I think it's a good idea. He thinks about his homework. She thinks before she speaks. We think English is fun. They think the same way.
No. No. Examples.
I know your name. He knows the answer. She knows how to swim. We know this song. They know the way home.
Learn. Learn. Examples.
I learn English every day. He learns to cook. She learns new words. We learn from mistakes. They learn together.
Teach. Teach. Examples.
I teach my brother. He teaches math. She teaches English online. We teach kids to read. They teach with kindness.
Study. Study. Examples.
I study every night. He studies for the test. She studies English books. We study in the library. They study hard.
Work. Work. Examples.
I work in an office. He works on the computer. She works in a hospital. We work from home. They work 5 days a week.
Play. Play. Examples.
I play soccer. He plays the guitar. She plays with her toys. We play games after school. They play outside.
Help. Help. Examples.
I help my mother. He helps his friend. She helps at school. We help clean the room. They help each other.
Make. Make. Examples.
I make coffee. He makes a cake. She makes a card. We make dinner together. They make beautiful art.
Use. Use. Examples.
I use a pen. He uses a phone. She uses a dictionary. We use the internet. They use English every day.
Open. Open. Examples.
I open the door. He opens his book. She opens the window. We open the box. They open their eyes.
Close. Close. Examples.
I close the door. He closes the bag. She closes her eyes. We close the shop. They close the laptop.
Push. Push. Examples.
I push the door. He pushes the cart. She pushes the swing. We push the car. They push the button.
Pull. Pull. Examples.
I pull the drawer. He pulls the rope. She pulls her bag. We pull the door shut. They pull the wagon.
Carry. Carry. Examples.
I carry my bag. He carries the boxes. She carries water. We carry groceries. They carry books to class.
Give. give. Examples.
I give a gift. He gives money. She gives advice. We give help. They give flowers.
Take. Take. Examples.
I take a photo. He takes a book. She takes the bus. We take a break. They take notes.
Buy. Buy. Examples.
I buy bread. He buys a shirt. She buys fruit. We buy tickets. They buy presents.
Sell. Sell. Examples.
I sell old clothes. He sells toys. She sells cookies. We sell books online. They sell flowers.
Pay. Pay. Examples.
I pay for coffee. He pays the bill. She pays with a card. We pay rent. They pay cash.
Send. Send. Examples.
I send a message. He sends an email. She sends a letter. We send photos. They send gifts.
Receive. Receive. Examples.
I receive a call. He receives a package. She receives flowers. We receive emails. They receive thanks.
Heap. Heap. Examples.
I keep my room clean. He keeps his promise. She keeps a diary. We keep the key safe. They keep secrets.
Find. Find. Examples.
I find my keys. He finds a coin. She finds her bag. We find the address. They find a cat.
Lose. Lose. Examples.
I lose my pen. He loses his hat. She loses her phone. We lose the game. They lose their way.
Throw. Throw. Examples.
I throw a ball. He throws paper away. She throws a stone. We throw trash in the bin. They throw snowballs.
Catch. Catch. Examples.
I catch the ball. He catches the bus. She catches a fish. We catch rain in a cup. They catch butterflies.
Kick. Kick. Examples.
I kick the ball. He kicks the door. She kicks a stone. We kick off shoes. They kick the can.
Hit. Hit. Examples.
I hit the drum. He hits the nail. She hits the ball. We hit the target. They hit the keys.
Climb. Climb. Examples.
I climb the tree. He climbs the hill. She climbs the stairs. We climb the wall. They climb the mountain.
Fall. Fall. Examples.
I fall on the floor. He falls off the bike. She falls in the snow. We fall down laughing. They fall from the swing.
Swim. Swim. Examples.
I swim in the sea. He swims every summer. She swims with friends. We swim in the pool. They swim fast.
Ride. Ride. Examples.
I ride a bike. He rides a horse. She rides the bus. We ride together. They ride to school.
Fly. Fly. Examples.
I fly to Istanbul. He flies a kite. She flies in a dream. We fly on vacation. They fly home.
Drive. Drive. Examples.
I drive a car. He drives to work. She drives carefully. We drive on the highway. They drive every day.